Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the random drawing generator to generate random drawing ideas for your next drawing project. Right, so if you want to use the random drawing generator, all you have to do is go to randomdrawinggenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below so you can check it out. And as you can see here, the tool will generate you a random drawing, and it will give you the name of the drawing as well. And if you don't like that drawing, you can just click on generate new drawing here and it will generate another drawing idea. You can click on this more like this button, which will take you to a page where you can see similar drawings like this one. But if you don't like this drawing idea, just click on generate new drawing and it will generate you a new drawing idea. This tool is absolutely free to use. So if you want to just generate drawing ideas, you can use it for absolutely free. As I mentioned, I will link to this generator in the description below. If you have any idea on how we can improve this tool, you can also leave comments in the comment section. And it's an absolutely free tool, as I mentioned. So if you want to help us to further improve the tool, you can also consider donating to the development of this tool. We would appreciate it. But all in all, this is how you can use the random drawing generator to generate random drawing ideas for your next drawing project.